Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to use this guy UI color setting in Vivo phone. In this video guys, I will show you how to use it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time. So first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So and now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. After guys, you can see this dock screen and wallpaper. Click here. Then guys, you can see UI color. So you can see that there are 4 and 5 colors. So you can use from here like that. When you will click it guys, the notification and guys this setting will you can see guys this color changing. So you can use from here guys one more guys blue color. So you can use from here guys which color guys you want to set. So you can set from here like that. Let's come back. So I hope friends you have understood how to use UI colors setting in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.